you hold this, just hold it up. Yeah, there's the thing. Just hold it straight like that.
Okay.
And circle around this thing. Let's go.
You should probably go that way instead of going up that big ramp.
Well, I think the other way is the ramp. That's where the ramp. I was trying to go see if there's another way. I don't know. There might not. I'm good with going up it. I promise I don't know. I'm just glad I'm able to take you out and get to see some of this as well. I love you. I thought it was really beautiful the first time. And I said the only thing that's missing is you. No. No big one.
This ain't the way we came up.
The what? Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh my god. Look at it. Spins the door. No.
No, it's actually not. It just went to go to the United States. Believe it or not.
I think that's the only way to do it.
Let me look this way. Nice little walk down there on the wild side. You know me. I'm still the same OG. I might not be able to do it.
Oh my god.
No wild side for us today. Sorry. But the wild side sounded good though. Very, very much. I think it would have been fun. Okay. I'm not gonna lean back just a little bit, okay?
Okay. Go flip me over.
Let's go see if we can go over this way. I just don't know if it'll fit all of us or not.
Yeah, well, you're gonna have to give it your all. I think I lost weight for you to be able to push me.
So glad you did.
And then I bitched at your weight for you to push me. At least you're getting your exercise. Just don't let go. That's funny. I know you want to just throw me off in the river.
I would never want to do that.
Yes, you do.
Dave, you had an accident. You act like it's I'm mad at that or something.
Babe, you're going further away from the car.
I know.
I really need you to get to the car.
I'm just exploring, baby.
I know.
I can trick you.
No. My toe is not letting you trick me.
Sorry. Okay.
I'm sorry. Now we're lost.
Huh?
Now we're lost.
Right there in front of us is where we're going.
Yeah, but is there going to be a way to get in there from here?
Yeah. Can I tell you what it is in Spanish? It's called la puerta. You know what that means?
No.
The door.
Oof. Damn it, man.
It's getting a little warm out here.
95. My badge just like plumb out because I'm so hot. That's my badge just plumb out because I'm so hot.
Let me just turn this on.
I can't help it.